Have you ever wondered what the future of luxury SUVs looks like? What if I told you that the 2025 BMW X5 is here to redefine elegance and performance? Stay tuned as we take an exclusive look at this masterpiece. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about cars and love staying updated with the latest automotive trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for notifications. Let's dive right in. Starting with the front view, the 2025 BMW X5 commands attention with its iconic kidney grille. This grille is not just a design statement, but a symbol of BMW's legacy. Flanked by narrow, angular headlights, the front fascia exudes aggression and modernity. The elongated hood with sculpted contours adds a sporty touch, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Moving to the rear, the 2025 BMW X5 continues to impress. The sleek taillights, with their narrow and angular design, emit a striking orange glow, enhancing the vehicle's futuristic appeal. The glossy black finish reflects the surroundings, highlighting the smooth curves and aerodynamic silhouette. The sporty rear bumper with integrated exhausts and the prominent BMW emblem complete the look, making it clear that this SUV is built for both luxury and performance. Now, let's talk about the release date and specs. The 2025 BMW X5 is expected to hit the market in late 2024. Under the hood, it boasts a range of powerful engine options, including a hybrid variant for those looking to combine performance with efficiency. The interior is packed with the latest technology, from advanced driver assistance systems to a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The exterior design of the 2025 BMW X5 is a perfect blend of elegance and aggression. The aerodynamic lines and curves not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve its performance by reducing drag. Under the hood, the X5 offers a range of powerful engines. Whether you choose the standard petrol engine or the hybrid variant, you can expect a thrilling driving experience with impressive acceleration and handling. Thank you for joining us on this detailed analysis of the 2025 BMW X5. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and analyses. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new X5 and what car you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.